Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will show you beautiful crochet handbag design ideas. I will share you. So friends, let's start today's video. So I hope you enjoy my video. So let's start. So friends, first is simple crochet handbag. I start with a chain. Now I make base stitches. Slowly the bag shapes is right. I add strong handles. My handbag is simple and beautiful, perfect for daily use. Granny square bag. Let's make a granny square bag. I create small square pieces. Each square has a nice pattern. Now I join all squares together. I add a soft lining inside. This bag looks colorful and stylish. Crochet, mini crochet purse. So viewers, I start with a small base. Now I crochet in around. The purse shape is ready. I add a button for closing. Small and very pretty purse crochet boho bag. I use soft cotton yarn. I make a round base first. Now I crochet the side. I add long fringe at the bottom. This bag looks trendy and unique. Friends, crochet net bag. I use chain and space stitches. Now I create a net pattern. The bag becomes a stitch for shopping fruits and vegetables. Easy and friendly ideas. Crochet clutch bag. So viewers, I hope you like my videos. So viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the next